While this episode isn't directly about gardening, it touches on something equally essential to our daily routine, meditation, which has formed the foundation of our lifestyle alongside our love for growing things. My wife and I just emerged from our second 10-day Vipassana meditation retreat today. And wow, what an incredible journey it has been. Last year, at my wife's gentle persuasion, and after she took care of all the registration details, I attended my first 10-day Vipassana course. I walked away feeling like those had been the most important 10 days of my entire year. Today, as I stand here reflecting on this second retreat, I can honestly say the same thing. I've just experienced the 10 most meaningful days of 2025. Now, meditation wasn't completely new to us. We've been exploring various practices since around 2014, sometimes investing in expensive courses, other times finding wonderful free options. But let me tell you, Vipassana meditation is something truly special. The difference was immediate and profound during that very first 10-day course. Here's the beautiful part. The first retreat happened to coincide with our wedding anniversary, and we both felt that was the most meaningful way we could have celebrated our relationship. So this year, we made a conscious and exciting decision to honor our anniversary once again through this transformative practice. About this remarkable technique, 10-day course is an introductory course to Vipassana meditation where the technique is taught step by step each day. According to the official website, dhamma.org, Vipassana, which means to see things as they really are, is one of India's most ancient techniques of meditation. It's a non-sectarian practice aimed at understanding the true nature of reality. It emphasizes observing bodily sensations and mental activity without judgment, leading to a deeper understanding of oneself and the world. The Southern California Vipassana Center, where we were blessed to practice meditation, offers these courses through recordings from 1990s teaching sessions of Goenka, the foremost lay teacher of Vipassana meditation of our time. What's truly inspiring is how contemporary and relevant his lectures feel. They possess a timeless quality that speaks directly to our modern hearts and minds. Here's something that absolutely amazed us. The center operates entirely on goodwill donations and volunteerism. Every single course, whether it's 10 days, 3 days, or even 1 day, is offered completely free of charge to anyone genuinely interested in learning this ancient technique for liberating the mind from all its self-imposed limitations and discovering true inner peace and harmony. Our incredible retreat experience. The center completely covered our 10-day stay, including all our boarding and food. Each participant lives in a cozy single-bedroom unit equipped with all the modern necessities you could need. The meals were also thoughtfully prepared. Our daily routine was meaningfully structured. 3 one-hour group meditation sessions plus an 1-hour evening lecture, with the remaining time available for personal meditation either in the group hall or in our individual rooms. Goenka truly understood that meditation is serious inner work, and he designed everything to help students focus completely and get the maximum benefit from this technique. We observed what's called noble silence. Throughout the course, no communication with the outside world or even with fellow meditators. And yes, men and women live and die separately to minimize distractions and create the most conductive environment for deep inner exploration. A note on the teaching. Since I still consider myself a beginner in this meditation technique, I won't attempt to explain the detailed methodology here. I wouldn't want to accidentally misguide anyone. What I can share with complete confidence is that anyone can learn this technique and experience real, tangible benefits by simply following the clear guidance that teacher Goenka provides. The global Vipassana family. Here's something that fills me with hope and excitement. There are currently over 260 centers and more than 130 non-center locations spread across 94 countries worldwide, where you can access free Vipassana courses. It's like a beautiful global network of inner peace and transformation. Our local haven. We are incredibly fortunate here in Southern California to have such a center, nested just north of Joshua Tree National Park in 29 Palms. It's about a 3-hour drive from our home, the perfect distance for a meaningful journey without being too far from familiar territory. The center sits on a stunning 154-acre property, surrounded by desert landscape, with breathtaking views of the winter snow-capped mountain range. They've built 10 custom-designed buildings with modern amenities, including air conditioning, and the facility currently accommodates 70 students at a time, with plans to expand to 140 students in the future. The registration. Here's where things get exciting and a bit intense. We are already planning to apply for next year's course around the same time to deepen our practice even further. For anyone interested in enjoying this incredible journey, you can find all the information at the Southern California Vipassana Center website. Here's the insider tip on registration. You will want to check the course schedule section and find the dates that work for you. Then be ready to apply exactly at 7 a.m. Pacific time when registration opens. Fair warning, this course is filled up incredibly quickly. My wife has tried to register us multiple times in the past, and even when she started applying within minutes of that 7 a.m. opening, we often found ourselves on the waiting list. We only got lucky last year, and we are hoping our persistence pays off again. Your invitation to transform. If this speaks to your heart, I genuinely hope to see you there next year. This practice has the potential to bring such profound peace, clarity, and joy into our life. Whether you are dealing with stress, seeking deeper meaning, or simply curious about this ancient wisdom, Vipassana offers something truly special. The fact that it's offered completely free, supported by the generosity of those who've experienced its benefits, makes it accessible to everyone regardless of their financial situation. What a beautiful way to share such a precious gift with the world. Here's to your own journey of inner discovery and the peace that awaits on the other side.